pulling up to my boy shit, man. Happy birthday, Kaiden. I know you gonna watch this shit. Let me see. It's dark as fuck in this bit. Nerf guns. KB in that bit.
Alright, thank you.
What's up, Cash? But getting his safety on. Let's see if I can find Kaiden in this bit. Kids everywhere. Kaiden! Happy birthday, nephew! Happy birthday, nephew! What's up?
Shot me in the mouth.
Oh! Look at that boy got stuck on the Jeep. You okay? Put your glasses on. Put your glasses on.
Kylie's right there, so I'm gonna go out.
Kylie! Hey! Oh, shit. About to have the soon to be newlyweds right here. We lit. You ain't got no stick.
I got 2 of them.
Cass, go get somebody, Cass. Oh, somebody shot me in the back of the head. Somebody just shot me in the back of my head. Oh, shit. Whoa. This bitch lit. Go, Cass. Come on, let's go find Kaiden. Let's go find KK. Look at Kylie. Hey, cutie. Thank you.
I just found out you can get $200 with Navy Federal.
Thank you.
When you refinance your auto loans.
She want to clean up. That's all Kylie want to do is clean up.
No night vision. Learn more at NavyFederal.org/auto.
Hey, I put a switch on that bitch.
Navy Federal.
Oh, shit.
Credit and collateral subject to approval.
You thought you got hit with a switch.
Be eligible for the $200. Terms and conditions apply.
Well, Kaiden.
Have you ever sat on I-35 and wondered how many drivers are overpaying on car insurance? Turns out it's a lot of them. Here's the deal. Owning a car is expensive enough. Your insurance can cost a fortune too. Put the brakes on those high Texas rates with help from Intuit Credit Card.
Get him, everybody get him.
Tap this ad to explore personalized rates.
Hey, send your crew to get him.
Coverage for you. Great insurance at lower rates? Start looking on Credit Karma today.
Get him. Hey, I'm just the cameraman. Get that boy. Everybody get him. Everybody attack. Everybody attack. Hey, I need y'all to attack him with that beanie. Look at him running. Everybody shoot him. Everybody shoot him. Everybody. Get him. Don't let him get away. Everybody get him.
Man, feel my gun though.
Oh, shit. You got a good gun? What's your name?
I'm Kai.
You about to go have fun, right? What you trying to do? Fill a gun up? You gotta find it on the ground. I can't. They getting that boy. Yeah, you just pick the ammo up out the ground. Here. There you go. Put that last one in. Cock that bit back and shoot. Go. Attack! Look at Cash. What you doing, Neff? Looking like your dad. I put them hitters on that boy. I put them hitters on. Oh shit. Oh, the big shit. I'll be back. Yo. Ah, he's trying to shoot me. Ah. Hey, I'm in this bitch.
They got the runs.
Hey, you missed it. I had all the kids attacking KB. I did that. I sent them hitters on that boy.
Nigga said they done ran down on that.
Hey, real shit. Real shit. Oh, we on teams. We on teams. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, all the kids. Oh. Lost them boys. I lost them boys. Oh shit. I'm getting attacked. Hey, somebody help me.
Get him, Cash.
Get him.
Your daddy.
Hey, Cash, look at him. Oh, shoot. It's a war. It's a real war in this bitch. Oh. Oh, he cool, he cool. Wood's just playing around. Ah! Oh. Oh yeah, KB. Oh yeah, KB. Walk him now. Walk him now. Oh shit.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah?
They getting that boy. Go, 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 go. Neve, say hey.
Give me your gun.
Still trying to get me, huh? That boy Weston Kid shooter.
That boy lost my hat.
Your hat. You gonna find it somewhere.
Hey. They got 2 rods in that. Hold on, they got 2 rods.
Good shit too. Oh, 3. We found the loadout. We found the loadout.
Our base.
Oh, that's y'all base? Oh shit.
They got rods.
Bro, let me hold one now. Oh, you got that for cash? Yeah. Appreciate you. You gonna shoot me? I'm just filming. I'm just filming. They think they're gonna catch me slipping. I got me a rod. Nah, yeah. I'm blicked up, sticked up. Ooh, you got something nice. You got something nice.
Try that one. That one really doesn't shoot that far.
It's not that good.
Nah.
I'm gonna have to put it to work.
You should upgrade to this. This was $10 more.
For real?
Like, it's so much better.
Tell the camera. How you feel?
So much better.
Yeah. Let me see you put it to work. Let me see. Hey, get him. Come on, him with the beanie over there. Yeah, walk him down. Walk him down. Him right there. He's running. Yeah, walk him down. Walk him. Get him. Yeah. 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 Oh. I thought we was on teams. Your gun jammed?
Huh?
It jammed? Oh, you good, you good. Oh, look at the boys in the back of the Jeep. Go, 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 go. Yeah. Go. Nobody's safe in this bed. I'm loading up right now. I'm loading up right now. KK!
I don't know how to download.
You just go like this. Oh. Hey, I'm on niggas' ass right now. Ah! Oh, she tagging me. She tagging me over there. Hey, they tagging me. Oh, they getting me. All right. I'm getting attacked by kids. All right, let's join up teams. All right. Okay.
I remember when we were driving in your car, speed so fast to feel like I was drunk.
Oh shit! Nowhere is safe. Nowhere is safe. Nowhere is safe in this bitch.
Nigga had, oh, that boy got that bitch.
Yeah, he been walking niggas down. He been walking people down.
Them little kids was like, why y'all stole our guns? I said, that ain't our gun.
You trying to shoot the balloon?
No, I'm trying to shoot the gun. That
You got me. You gotta find some bullets to put in there. Look, your bullet jam right here. See, there you go, there you go. Yeah, I'm a gunsmith. Oh, you got me. You got me. Oh, shit. Oh, they got me again. I'm getting hit up. I would have been dead. I ain't gonna lie, chat. I would have been dead. I ain't gonna lie. I would have been done for it. Man, I would have been dead in this bit. I would have been dead in here.
Oh, I know.
Every kid shot me at least 10 times.
Hey, look.
I sicked him on KB. That's why he over there on that side. I had every kid chasing that boy. Come on. You wanna go to the other part?
It's so big.
Huh? Say hey. Look. Wee. Go, Kylie. Go. 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 Go.
I do.
Kylie. Hey.
What's wrong, baby?
You want to follow them kids? Y'all leaving?
Yeah, we gotta go do some last minute stuff.
All right. My brother. All right, y'all drive safe. Go, fat. Go, 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 fat. Go, go. You want me to get on with you? Come on. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Yeah, that girl know how to climb. Look at that girl. Come on. No. Look, you gotta jump over there. You gonna jump over there? Look at mommy. See it? Oh, you wanna go right here? Look. Wee, boing. Wee. She's talking about style. Come on. Wee. Jump on there. Let me see you do it. Next, next, next. Dang, you good. Dang. Oh, yeah. Now do it back. Do it back. Oh, shit. Good job.
Oh, you got it, alright? I'm just gonna put it right here.
What's going on with your pockets? Oh. Go ahead. Oh, I'm next.
Oh, man, get that shit.
He talking about that boy Nick went back ball.
Go ahead.
I need to go find. I'm about to get Kaiden right quick. Ask Kaiden if he want to go in the bounce house.
Cutie. So cute.
You know that man don't know how to jump.
He don't want to do
Look
it.
at him, he already. Hey, we're gonna get my boy Blaze right here.
He don't want to do it.
Oh, take that head off that dude. Get up, Cash.
Okay, Cash, you got it. Ready? You can do it. You do it first. Let's show him how to do it.
Man, go. See, go, nigga.
See that right there?
That's exactly why. That's what I'm telling you.
Look.
Look.
Oh my God.
Oh, finish strong, finish strong. You pussy. Hey, no, you gotta finish strong. Hey, you toe up for that.
No, you too long to miss that.
I swear. Hey,
What's that TV show that makes you do
wipe out. Hey,
hell
Sue, what you rate his first shit?
2 out of 5.
2 out of 5. Oh yeah. Cass just like his daddy. Go, Cass. Go, go, go. You gotta stand up and jump, Cass. Jump.
You can't. Don't say you can't. I don't like that word.
Say, Daddy, show me how.
Go ahead.
Go, Wes. Go, Wes. Come here, Cass. He ain't gonna make it past the second one. Go, go, go. Let's see what he made out of.
Look out, look out. I don't want you to get hit. Daddy long leg. I'm telling you.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. He talking about some oops. Hey, you seen him? You seen him?
I've done that before. It's way harder than it looks.
Yeah. All right, come on, KB.
All right, go ahead. Oh, Lord, Jimmy said hell no.
He feeling good. Wipeout challenge, wipeout challenge. Wipeout challenge.
Watch, I'm about to do it.
We about to see.
Wait.
I'm working out.
Nigga told you it ain't as easy as it look.
Y'all see that eye though?
Man, nigga shot that boy in his eye. That boy got one eye like my pawpaw now. Let's see what KB can do.
Alright, hold on. Let's go. Okay. To the next one. Stand up.
Yeah, he failed it the first time.
Oh, damn.
Go ahead, Jazz.
You almost got it, though.
KK, happy birthday, KK.
You do it. You want it?
Let's go, Jazz.
Yeah.
That's all you got. You gotta show him you could do it, nigga. He talking about I can't do it because you said that shit. That man doing it. He doing it.
Come on, one more, go.
Oh yeah.
Hey, I'm talking about.
Yeah. Go, Kaden, go, Kaden, go. All right, come on. Oh. Now make it back. West did it back. Oh. Yeah. That boy hitting that bitch.
You thought about hitting them hard?
Hey, he was hitting that bitch. Hey, he was hitting them. I got a shit. Hey, I only came back to record y'all. After I come back, I'll hop on. Hey, after I come back, I'll hop on.
Okay, go ahead, Kenneth. Go. Ready, quick. Go ahead. There you go.
Finally.
Hey, that boy got a shit. Watch out.
Oh, not playing on my blessing.
You had fun. You had not. Come this way. Come this way. Go back around. Hey, that boy KB trying to play it off. He tired. Look at that boy.
Yeah, he's tired.
Look at that beanie about to sweat off, man.
That's how Blaine's hair gonna be.
What?
That's what we call coolie.
I don't know. He might have my nigga hair. You never know.
Nah.
He said nah.
That ain't turning into no nigga naps. Nah.
You cheated on me?
Boy,
Fuck the Spanish nigga? Cause this ain't your hair. This ain't your hair. You got.
whole pop Puerto Rican his hair.
I don't know. Somebody stepped out with a burrito man or something. I don't know.
Don't do her.
Oh look! Oh, she diving behind you now.
Yeah.
She been
She's
diving behind
She's
you.
diving behind you.
You up in there learning them dance moves together.
Please record.
Can't forget this
You
one.
gotta record her.
You doing it, yeah.
Record. She.
Hold on, wait. Can't forget the.
You gotta take a picture and send it to me so I can make a sticker out of it.
All the time they doing something else. I was like, oh, we gotta do that.
Right.
I ain't never seen that one.
He was hitting that, but the girls was hitting something else.
Yeah, I said, oh, I thought we were supposed to be doing this.
I thought his
So you-
was more entertaining.
So you hitting dance moves in front of niggas?
We in the back.
I Niggas talking about we in the back.
Hell yeah, we in the back. We don't know that shit.
They can see that off the mirror.
No, they can't.
They can see that off the mirror.
They can see us doing the wrong move. Cause that's why he
Look, she put that bitch on her camera.
You hit that.
Me and Aaliyah gotta go to our dance class.
Yeah, we gotta
Let me go to a dance class.
and do.
Let me go to dance class.
Okay, with us.
Baby.
Hey, what's up?
You see something? Hey.
Say what's up, Blaze.
She got some people to pick her up. She said, come on.
What? Kaz, go with Kaiden. Go with Kaiden. Go with Kaiden. Let me see how I do it.
Get up there. Climb up there. Oh, you almost said. It's hard to keep.
Really about to get that boy coming out the bathroom.
There you go. That's the Casey we know.
Damn, she got tall, bro.
What's up? Wait a minute.
Blaze.
I'm saying these gonna be some tall ass kids.
Blaze.
Now Blaze a big boy for real.
His head way bigger than her too.
Blaze so big that she started something happening.
Look at them legs.
Yeah.
Look at them legs.
Blaze 22 pounds. That's why. Blaze big
Pray
boy.
my son not thick when he
He ain't big kid.
Oh, that's all you worried about? Is him being
I don't
thick?
want my son to have no booty. Look, I don't want my son to have no ass. Got to get that bit reduced.
Bye.
Not a booty reduction. You insane.
Skinny jeans kicking.
Oh, he might stress out.
Because I'm thick right now. Your mama's skinny too.
You was thick like at 15 and shit.
Bro, I was like 90 fucking pounds. I guess, with 90 pounds. Don't was poking.
Don't curse my son in the ass.
Boy, bye.
Oh,
Genetics.
right.
Let's try it.
What you gonna do about it?
Nothing.
Get him a reduction?
Reduction.
Oh,
I'm gonna be rich. Hopefully, I'm rich by the time you're 15.
right.
Nah.
I'm gonna be
for
living
real.
in a mansion by then.
No, we don't need no mansion. That's how niggas go broke. Living above it means.
I'm gonna have the means.
You don't need no 7 bedrooms.
I'm gonna have the means. Yeah, I do.
A mansion can still come with 5.
For how much?
5 bedrooms?
To build our own fucking house.
I didn't say that we couldn't.
I can't wait for you to throw
We
water.
cold.
Girl, I went up to Kaiden in there while it was dark. I said, is this Kaiden? Is that you? He had got the glasses on and shit. That boy said, how'd you see? Pow! Right in my face.
That's all I was looking at. Like, that looks like him. Maybe it's not. Then he turned
It's
around.
because he got his hair cut down, yeah. Wow. He cleared his bowel movement. That ass cleared.
I had to shit, chat. Let's get some B-roll. Good job. Huh? I'm going POV. I'm going POV. Come on, Kylie. Oh, shit. Man. Hey, somebody get... You want to get down? Come on. Think I could do it?
Oh, man, I've been
Oh, yeah. That bit was squishier than I thought. It was too squishy. It was too squishy. Attempt 2. The kids doing better than me, chat. The kids, y'all see me just wipe out. The kids doing better than me. Man, I got injured in the kids' place. Me and KB, man. How we get injured in the kids' place? Whoa! Whoa!
I was about to sing, but I don't know what
You got a 4-year-old.
I do.
Hey, put these glasses on.
It's your birthday, Neff. Show me how you aim with your gun. Show me how you about to cut up.
Get your bullet.
Do your aim, amen. Haha. We got the gunsmith from GTA right here. Beat him, Kaz, beat him.
I ain't gonna lie, he really ain't beat me though.
I see. Oh shit, it's a close fight.
I'm spamming.
Got you. Bring it on, Kylie. Come on, bring it on. Take that. Take that. Take that. Take that. Come on. Run. Oh. Run. Hello, motherfucker.